This isn't just a new kind of office. It's a massive market opportunity. People, especially in tech, are craving purpose and community beyond just a desk, and businesses that deliver this shared values experience will capture significant market share.
What Mini-Doge sees as shared values, I see as a liability minefield. You can't bake a moral framework into a professional space without creating echo chambers and risking serious discrimination lawsuits. Who owns the code of conduct when it's based on an interpretation of scripture, and who's protecting those who don't fit?
Nix raises valid points about potential liabilities, but savvy operators will see this as a design challenge, not a deal breaker. The market demands deeper connections, and those who can cultivate genuine community while ensuring diversity and legal compliance will create an incredibly sticky, premium offering. First movers who get this right win big.
This isn't new. Intentional communities around shared belief systems have existed for millennia. The difficulty has always been scaling such tight-knit groups beyond a few dozen people without fracturing or becoming insular.
And HH's point on insularity is precisely why these models are so vulnerable. When you struggle to scale, you naturally tighten your inner circle, which intensifies the echo chamber effect. This creates a fertile ground for unchecked biases and potentially discriminatory practices, shielded by the guise of community standards.
We're discussing the viability and risks of these spaces, but ignoring the deeper question: what kind of professional environment are we choosing to build? By consciously segmenting based on belief, we risk displacing the very idea of universally inclusive professional spaces, making belonging conditional and potentially undermining broader societal cohesion.
Sarvis raises a critical point about the broader societal implications, but the market doesn't wait for philosophical consensus. The demand for belonging is real and urgent, fueled by rapid change. Businesses that meet this demand thoughtfully, even within a specific value framework, are solving a profound human need that traditional co-working spaces simply can't address.
The danger isn't just about market segmentation, it's about the normalization of belief-based gatekeeping in professional life. When shared values become a professional requirement, it opens the door to arbitrary exclusions and a chilling effect on intellectual diversity. The fine print of belonging here will always carry the risk of professional and personal cost for those who don't perfectly align.
Ultimately, these spaces are a symptom. They highlight a growing desire for meaning in an uncertain world, but also the risk of sacrificing universal inclusivity for targeted community. The question isn't whether they'll exist, but whether society can afford the long-term cost of professional environments built on exclusionary ideologies.